In the world of hypercars, one name has always stood above the rest: Bugatti. And now, the legend is reborn in the form of the Bugatti Tourbillon, a machine that doesn't just push boundaries, it destroys them. Revealed in 2024, the Tourbillon is the official successor to the Chiron. But this is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Under its sculpted carbon fiber skin lies a monstrous 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine, built in partnership with Cosworth. Alone, it produces 1,000 horsepower. But that's just the beginning. Paired with 3 electric motors, the Tourbillon unleashes a mind-bending 1,800 horsepower in total. The numbers are beyond imagination. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds. 0 to 300 in under 10. With the speed key, this beast can roar to an incredible 445 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest cars on the planet. But Bugatti didn't stop at raw power. The Tourbillon is crafted from cutting-edge materials, with a carbon-composite chassis and 3D-printed suspension components that are nearly 50% lighter than before. The result? A hypercar that weighs less than 2,000 kilograms, remarkable for a hybrid of this scale. Its design is pure Bugatti. The iconic horseshoe grille, the elegant C-line, and dramatic butterfly doors that announce its presence like no other. Aerodynamics are finely tuned, with active wings and diffusers that slice through air with precision, delivering more downforce, less drag, and unmatched stability at speed. Step inside, and the Tourbillon takes inspiration from the world of Swiss watchmaking. The analog instrument cluster is a masterpiece, crafted with hundreds of intricate components. A retractable high-definition screen hides away seamlessly, keeping the cabin timeless and uncluttered. Every detail feels like art in motion. Only 250 units will ever exist. And with a price tag of around $4 million, the Tourbillon isn't just a car. It's an experience reserved for the rarest of collectors. A true masterpiece, blending heritage, craftsmanship, and the future of